Your Excellency, the President, fellow Kenyans, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, siku njema huonekana asubuhi. Na asubuhi ya leo tunaona viongozi wetu wa Kenya wameketi pamoja, wanazungumza lugha moja ili Kenya iende mbele pamoja. Kwa hivyo tunasema leo ni siku njema sana. Your Excellency, on behalf of the women of this country, all the way from Wanga to Nyatike Wuothorum, from Todonyang all the way to Isibania, tunasema asante sana. Thank you, Your Excellencies, for rising above partisan politics, politics of division and hate. Thank you for rising above your own individual ambitions to unite Kenyans and to leave behind a legacy of a united country. Your Excellency, the biggest beneficiaries of a united Kenya are women and children. Kwa hivyo tunasema asante sana kwa sababu there is no day, never again will women fear every election because they will be displaced. Never again will women fear because they will be raped and our girls be defiled because of elections. Never again will women stand and bury their sons and daughters because of an election. Because you leaders, Your Excellency, the President and Your Excellency, the Prime Minister, you have come together, and all the leaders of this country to bring us together and to move forward. And Your Excellency, finally, I would like to say that women, as Yunette said, we are 50 and we don't want to leave the 0.5. We must add the 0.5%. And unajua tulipitisha ile ya polygamy pia, sasa mambo itakuwa mzuri, haitakuwa mbaya. We want to say that if as women we come together, all of us together, we can change the course of this country. Wamama hai!
Asante.